respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we, the students of class 5B, would like to say a few words about importance of data privacy. Stop, think, reconnect. We should not share data without knowing its consequences.
Think twice before downloading app. Think about who might see your online post. Reconnect with friends and family in person. Reconnect with online safety rules every day. Use strong passwords like a superhero secret code.
Stop sharing your password with friends. Stop posting your personal photos online.
Let's determine stronger data protection laws and regulations. Cybercrime is a growing threat and we must be vigilant.
Think before posting sensitive information online.
Stop sharing sensitive information online. Think before clicking on suspicious links.
Our personal data is